are back.
We are back, man. Today we have things, you know.
It's showtime! Another cooking video today. We're gonna do something special, something different. A lot of you have requested this video. I see you there. I forgot your username, but I see you there on the DMs in on my Instagram.
Princess Ndunga.
Yeah, that's the one.
DM us.
Oh, when are you guys going to cook that burger you cooked before? Yes, today, here we are.
This is it,
Because of you, we are cooking it. We are cooking some burgers and some hot dogs. Just for the lols, just for the fun of it. Because we love eating. Without us, eating is not possible. So yeah, as you come close, Mr. Cameraman, let me control the drone. Yeah. Here, we have some hot dog bread. Look at Bay. Yeah, look at this. Naivas. Sponsor 100% fresh. We have some burger buns.
Sponsored by Naivas.
Sponsored by Naivas. Naivas sponsor us. Na kadi yangu lakini sipatify yote. Just take the card. Naivas burger buns with the sesame seeds, that's they call it. We have some smoked sausages. Look at this. 12 pieces. This is zangu peke yangu. We have some fresh beef burgers. Look at this. Amazing.
Gotten from?
Imported from Halal Nation. Yeah. We have some chicken prawns. This is like chicken, slices of chicken. Look at this. Amazing. Like 8 pieces here. And then we have this. This is the main ingredient to your burgers, Yama. You must have cheese. Slices of cheese. Look at this. 12 pieces of slices. As you can see. 12. It must be 12. Come and see 12 achana now. The video is dead.
Okay.
So yeah, this one. This is my favorite thing in the world right now. In Kenya. Look at this. Fire roasted chica. Extra hot. Level 5 hell. If you eat this, you're going to hell. Just know that. It's from hell there.
Suhail.
Yeah. Suhail hell. That's my name. Okay. Subscribe to my channel if you can. Our channel. Yeah. We have tomatoes, some burger sauce. There we go. Leon's. Najoko America can sponsor too. Fanta blackcurrant. Bell peppers. We have bell peppers. We have some onions. Look at that. So yeah, and a knife. Look at the knife. We have to wash it first. So that's pretty much the ingredients.
It's time to rumble!
Yo! Ladies and gentlemen, it is I. What a sweet transition there. Anyway, what I'm doing right now, ladies and gentlemen, as you've seen from the title and also the intro, we're making burgers. So obviously, I, your chef, Chef Swahili, is going to be making the onions. I'm going to be frying them. Please show them over here. These are the onions, as you can see. I'm going to be frying them just so that they turn that brownish color. I like them fried, to be honest. I'm also going to be frying the buns, some parts in the inside, just to make it a bit crunchy, There's that taste, that settled taste right there. And also going to be doing the same thing to the buns of the hot dog. So that's what's happening right now. Anyway, I don't want to waste any more time. I just want to get right into this. For those who don't know, I'm a certified chef. You can ask Almandre, to be honest. What? So I'm gonna add a bit here. Now, as you can notice, I'm not using a measuring spoon because your boy is just built differently, to be honest. I know everything, so there's no need for me to measure or anything. I'm doing this so that the oil can touch everywhere. And yeah, let's quickly,
there we go.
turn them into that yellow color that I like very much. So yeah, that's what's happening.
Chef, I have a question.
Yes, sir.
Where did you take your cooking license, my brother?
Ladies and gentlemen, for those who don't know, I'd like to also tell you this. Your boy, was certified in Nairobi, in Langata, Limuru, and also Nakuru before I went to the States for 3 years. For 3 years I was in the States, ladies and gentlemen. Just specializing in the cooking area, the kitchen branch. There's so many classes in cooking at cooking school, for those who don't know. And I'm in the kitchen department. As you can tell from my physical appearance, I'm quite good when it comes to, the way KSI is good in the boxing ring.
Show us something, chef. Show us something.
I want them in that brown brownish color, you know.
Golden. Show them.
Show them, please. I want them to be in that beautiful golden
Look at
color.
that. Look at that. So cute.
So cute. I like it.
The smell is amazing,
What's
bro.
the aroma?
But the thing is amazing.
Yeah, man. It's time for me, Tunia, aka the butcher, you know, to cut the cutting. One I take it up.
Use shit.
Yeah, man. Ladies and gentlemen, I have the hardest job. The hardest job, yeah, man.
Here we
It's time
go.
to create partitions.
You are, huh? Okay.
And takatika vizuri.
No, no. What's your bomb for license Australia?
Yes. Satisfied cutting master.
Open like a book. Okay, one down. Mikate mbona satisfied lakini? Ndio professional. Hata hiyo kama $20 msongoni. Mikate iko fresh kweli. Unaipa $20. $20 mbona unalipwa? Mshahara na kile kitu kisawa. Look at that.
Yeah, man, we are done with the hot dogs. Now it's time for the hot cuts, you know.
Yeah, I like
Burgers,
I like what you did there.
Dad jokes. I cut.
How many children do you have, bruv?
2 minus 1.
Ah, amazing. Are they eat?
They are them.
What is the agenda?
They are them.
Look at that, the crispiness of the bread. Here. It's too soft, SMR.
So, Mr. Abdallah, Mr. Tonya Jama, check out his YouTube channel. I'm a bit. In the back. Yeah.
This is where you keep the things.
My boy, the one on the camera right now, did a nice, amazing job of cutting the buns, as you can tell. So what we're gonna do now is something that I call special trick. I'm gonna take these buns, guys, and I'm gonna fry this inner part, you know, just to get that little bit of crunchiness. I like things when they're, you know,
Hard.
that hard surface.
You like hard things?
That doesn't sound like much. Right, let's quickly, you know, get some fuel, just a bit of cooking oil. A bit, not that much, as you can tell from this. And yeah, I'm gonna be putting one of these beautiful buns over that beautiful fuel, you know, and then adding some more, guys. As you can see here. I'm sorry if my voice sounds weird, I'm just too emotional. I love cooking, guys. I really enjoy cooking, you know. So yeah, we're gonna be just a bit until it turns lightly brown. Lightly, not brown. All right, boom.
Yo, it's your boy Bashtube. Bashtube. Before I came out, your boy is certified on the TripAdvisor. Go search Bashtube, will see me. I'm here now. I'm the one who's gonna cook the burgers. Wanipa ile kazi ngumu, wajua ngezichoma walalamike, but you know, your boy is gonna perform under pressure. You know what I mean? Yeah. To all the ladies. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna do this. Now we're gonna cook the burgers. Look at this, amazing. Listen to that sound.
Hadi sauti yake.
So we're gonna add some little oil. Not little, but something. Oh, it's okay. You're gonna take this. Look at this amazing thing. We're gonna remove the nylon. Musipike na nylon jama. Cancer. So yeah.
Extra spicy.
Bismillah. You see that? You hear that sizzling? Yeah. That's the best feeling. Apa nylon? Yeah. We're gonna preheat for about 30 seconds on each side. Look at that. Amazing. You know why they call me Bashtube the chef? Because I'm better than them at cooking. I'm gonna do a freestyle right now. Yeah, here we go. It's Bashtube in the kitchen. That's what I do. Thank you very much. Now, what you're gonna do, we're gonna add the cheese. Tima. That's the one. We're gonna open this up. The reason why we are gonna add now because is that
Oh, I'm not.
we're gonna make the cheese melt. It's not a must to do it, but something we do for a reason. It's not important to do it.
Nacho tunaongea sote Abdalla. Watu ndio wanaangalia pale hadi wa direct kila kitu. Wacha uongee.
There we go, like that. Just do what I do, but best.
Unamtoa nini kama hii pati yako? Nitafanya hapo.
The cheese is melted on the burger. Just we're gonna take them out. Look at this. It's done downstairs. Yeah. There we go.
Ongeza mafuta kwanza kwa ile kitu.
The rest of the buns, you're gonna see after we're done.
As you can see, smoked sausage by Ken Chick, halal. Halal, jama. Kila kitu here is halal. So we're gonna cut it and we're gonna deep fry it. We're gonna deep fry them like I said. We're gonna wait for them to, change color a little bit, So yeah. As to wait for that, have you heard about our new channel, Gotel Vibes? Oh, I'm sorry. So promote the channel again.
Ndio.
Have you heard about our new channel, Gotel Vibes? If you haven't found about this channel, go check out our TikTok. Our TikTok account, Gotel Vibes, the same name. For more content, for more shorts, and for other behind the scenes stuff. Hope you enjoy and turn on. Oh yeah, hapo check it.
Turn off, yeah.
So make sure you turn on the notification bell.
Unajua, bro.
So make sure you turn off the notification bell for more updates, all notification, all kengele iwashe. For all updates and all to get posted when we upload a video. So if you enjoyed the video, check out our personal channel, BashTube, which will be in the top link of the description. Top link, ndo yangu. Then we have Tunia. Jamaa mumsaidie maana kwa nyuma kweli.
200 subs. Let's get me to 100.
Let's get him to 500 subs for now. So hope you enjoy. And about this Swahili Gamer, make sure we push forward.
Oh well, let's get him.
So right now, we're gonna assemble the burger. Like they said, I'm the best of this thing, so that's why they call me. So yeah, that's how we're gonna do. We're gonna put the base first, okay? Take the base, and we're gonna put some burger sauce. There we go. See this? So we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna. There we go. You see that? Amazing. After that, we're gonna put some tomatoes like this. Pop. We're gonna do that. Pop. There we go. So yeah, we're gonna add some chicken brown, halal by the way. One slice. Yeah, this is if you like, Jama. It's not a must, but it's my bash burgers coming soon. People like this. Jama bash burgers. Look at that, amazing. Now after that, we're gonna put some buns. The one melted with cheese. So we take one. We do this. Look at that. There we go. So now we're gonna take some onions like this. After that, we're gonna put the sauce on the top bun also. There we go. And then, and look at that. Look at that amazing, beautiful surprise. It was a surprise. There we go. Look at that. Now we're gonna do the same for the others.
So, ladies and gentlemen, it's me, your boy Swahili the G. We're back, and what we're doing right now, what I am doing more precisely, is I'm gonna be preparing the burgers, the hot dogs. Yep, the hot dogs. He's making burgers, I'm making hot dogs. So with these ones, guys, it's so much easier than the burgers because all you need to do is just cut the buns halfway, as you can see here, halfway like a book basically, and then I'm gonna be using cheese. as you saw from the intro, I'm gonna be putting 2 cheese at the bottom. So I'm gonna be taking cheese, you know, here. Just to add that's amazingness, aka awesomeness. So I'm gonna be taking 2 cheese per hot dog. And then I'm gonna be adding 2 beautifully made sausage, whatever they're called. Boom, like that. Can you see that, guys? Can you guys see that? See how amazing that is so far? Thank you. And then I'm going to be adding this just a bit. This is just Dania. Pilipili boga. This is baby. I don't know what it's called in English, but it's pilipili boga. Just a bit. You don't need much, you know, just to add that little. Eating the veggies, ladies and gentlemen, just a bit, not that much. And then I'm going to be using my onions that I fried before. For those who remember, I also added a bit of salt in this. So this should be awesome. Just a bit like this. See that? And then next I'm going to be adding some tomatoes, aka tomatoes. Thank you, Bashtu. May God bless you.
Amen.
Yep. Take a bit of this and then adding, you know, just to make sure that everything is touching this subtle and absolute beautiness. Okay. Do you see that? Wanna fresh up that? And then I'm gonna be adding the burger sauce. This part is not a must, but since I personally love this sauce, I'm gonna be adding just a bit, you know.
You can add mustard.
You can also add mustard, yes, for those who have that at home. Nice. Ladies and gentlemen, look at how amazing that is. Look at how amazing that is right there. Do you see that? Welcome to Swahili dishes, aka Swahili Bashtu burgers and tuna sauce. That's the first one. So I'm gonna do the same thing that I did to the other ones, and then you're gonna see me at the end when everything is ready. Okay? Please subscribe, hit the like button, guys. Check us out on TikTok and everything. We're gonna be doing public videos. Don't worry. Eventually, guys, public videos will come soon. Mr. Beast level of content is gonna come on this channel one day. Just relax. Be patient with us. We got you. Ladies, you're back. We are back, ladies and gentlemen, but ladies especially. Anyway, as you've seen, we are done with the
cooking.
Cooking in general.
Yeah. Amazing.
Another dab. If you haven't seen the last video, guys, it's in the description. We made the biggest
chips masala plates.
Ever.
Amazing.
Ever, ladies. And today we're making the biggest sandwich, stroke, burgers,
sandwich best food.
Yes.
So yeah.
This is the most in a plate. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I love all of you. You guys are absolute legends. Subscribe if you haven't. Turn on notification. Check us out on TikTok. It's in the description and also on your screen right now. So what we're gonna do right now, ladies and gentlemen, it's a special video. We're gonna do omegle. A mukbang omegle right now, right this moment.
After this,
if you guys hit the like button, it's gonna be dropping very soon.
50,000 likes.
We are dropping.
Oh yeah. I'm sorry for that. 50 likes. I'm gonna 50 likes. 10 likes, and we are back with another video.
10 likes, omegle will be dropping immediately.
So make sure you like the video.
Yes, we love you.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank
and peace.
Peace. Iko sawa.
Dala tulia mambo ya visu bana. Alafu ndugu bahati mbaya wallahi bahati mbaya. Acha matumbo atoka.
Akia Mungu bahati mbaya.
Naambia kama mkande kwa nje sitaki mambo. Watakolete kesi hapa. Yo, ladies and gentlemen, it's me, the nigga. What? Anyway, as you can tell, I'm quite excited because I'm the one that's going to be preparing.